Um, y'all, I'm not even laughing. Me not laugh. Hold on there. You guys. Hi. Happy New Year. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy belated birthday to me. Happy belated birthday to the people that man. Happy Canada Day. Happy every single holiday that I have missed this year since Christmas. Y'all, I know you guys are over there, like, behind your screens, whatever you guys are watching me on, and I know you guys are cursing me out. Trust me. Trust me.
Look, me shame. Shame and kill me. Me shame, yeah.
Like, Mashiem. And Mashiem, and I don't even know, like, I don't know what to say. Like, I've practiced, as bad as it may be, like, as bad as it sounds, like, I literally have practiced. I've never practiced for a video in my life, but I literally have gone over so many times, like, in front of any mirror that I've been in, and I've just gone over how I would go about this video. And, like, there's just no right way, and I just feel like if I keep procrastinating how I wanted this welcome back video to be, I would just never come back. But hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl, Zoisha, and I'm back. Period. Back and better, back like I never left, but I'm back. And I know the biggest or the only question is, where the bleep have I been? Where the fuck have I been? And the only answer I have for that is literally in my own world. So many of you guys messaged me and you guys were like, I know you're having a baby and that's why you haven't been on here. And I'm just like, first of all, y'all don't know me if you guys are telling me that I was preggo and I didn't come on here and share that, because baby, I'm gonna be posting when I'm 5 minutes. Like, from 5 minutes onward, I'm gonna be posting. Why would I hide that? Like, I'm grown. I'm fully licensed. Like, me coming out and saying that I'm pregnant, like, ain't no issue with that. You know what I mean? So that wouldn't be a reason for me to be away. But yeah, in my own world, like, there's just been a lot that has transpired, like, behind the scenes, that I guess affected my presence being away from the screens. And I guess that's, like, the best way to, like, explain it in the shortest of terms. I don't want this video to be extremely long, just because I feel like I have so, like, I don't know, I feel like there's so much that has been missed out on, but, like, I've still documented it, and so you guys can still see it and be a part of it. But, like, wow, the last time I posted a video was in December for Christmas, and it's now July 31st, and I told myself tomorrow is August, and I told myself there's no way in heck that August is gonna come and I'm not back on YouTube. It doesn't make any sense. And somebody even commented today, because I did post a reel on Instagram today. Mind you, I haven't only been absent from YouTube, I've also been absent from Instagram as well. I just recently started posting back on Instagram because I recently went away, and I was sharing some of my days, or like, parts of my days, not even as much as I normally would, but on my stories. But I haven't posted a picture, nothing. My last picture, if you go on my Instagram right now, is literally, well, yeah, probably, is literally me and Joelle from Christmas Day. So don't feel like y'all have really missed out on anything here. If you're following me on other social media platforms, I haven't really been active. The only thing that I've been active on was TikTok, and I wasn't even as consistent as I want to be. But I decided I was just gonna jump into TikTok because it brought me back to Snapchat vibes, and I feel like Snapchat was where I could really, like, be myself, which we'll get into later. But Snapchat is where I felt like I could really be myself, and TikTok gives me that vibe. So I've been over on TikTok. So if you are not following me on TikTok, go over and follow me on TikTok. I will leave my information down below. But back to what I was saying. I posted my July dump today on my story, and one of my supporters commented, and she was just like, girl, you need to come back on YouTube. Like, you need to come back to YouTube. So here I am. I'm back. Let me just start off by saying, okay, my year didn't start off how I wanted it to start off. I was like, listen, me and Dave, we went into the new year and we were like, listen, we're gonna get our journal, we're gonna write down our ideas, we're gonna write down our scheduling, we're gonna do all of this stuff. Like, got my journal, did everything. If you don't believe me, go to my TikTok. I posted the video. Like, I was on it, baby. Like, I made my mood board, have it on my phone as my background. Like, I was like, seriously, like, I had my serious content hat on going into the new year. And you know, January is my birthday, so I was planning a birthday trip and everything, and I had this whole series in my head where I was gonna take you guys along the journey with me, which I still have the content, so I will take you guys along the journey with me. But things didn't happen the way that it was supposed to happen. My trip got postponed, almost ended up getting canceled, and like, it just made me feel down, and I just lost the vibe. And then it was gonna push back into February. In February I was gonna do Valentine content, and then that got postponed because I was gonna be away for Valentine's Day and all of this kind of stuff. So it was just like one thing happened after the other, and it ended up me being on a break that I did not intentionally plan, because I never planned on taking a break. But things just kept happening in life. Life was just lifing, and there was no time for me to really sit down and edit anything, or really just focus on this part of social media, or just social media in a whole, to be perfectly honest. Like, there was just no time for me to be a content creator, if that makes any sense. So that's basically that. And then, you know, at the same time, Joel just migrated to the country. We're figuring out life, figuring out, you know, marriage. Like, it's our first, this is real, like, this is everything, and it's just everything happening again all at once. So it was just a lot on my plate. And again, as I said, I just didn't feel like content creating was, as bad as it sounds, of great importance at that time. But again, I did not say, like, I did not have like a thought in my mind or a plan where I was going to be like, all right, Zoe, we're going to take a break for a month, or we're going to take a break for 3 months and then come back, or whatever the case may be. Like, I just stopped everything. I just stopped everything. And I wanted to come back in April, but then again, as I said, things just kept happening. And then I was going to come back in, when was it? May? I think it was in May. Was it in May? I think it was in May. My camera stopped working. Brought it to this camera place to see if it could get fixed. They were like, this camera, the parts are no longer continued or whatever. Blase. So I was like, all right, cool. Now I got to save up for a camera, because I don't like recording on my phone. I know that it's convenient, but I just personally don't like recording on my phone, just because I feel like, for one, it takes up a lot of space, and for two, I like when I can record with my camera and still be able to have access to my phone. You know what I mean? Like, what if I want to Google something? What if I want to, you know what I mean? What if I want to make a call? Like, I got to be like, be right back, do that, whatever. So it was just more of a convenience for me to have my camera. So I eventually remembered that I had another camera of my camera, that I was able to switch out the part that I needed. So I ended up getting that fixed in time for my trip that I recently went on a few weeks ago. And then I was just like, all right, like, getting back into the groove of vlogging, like, during that trip. I don't know if it was because it was me and Babe that was on the trip, but it just felt like us being in Jamaica, you know? And it just brought back like a vibe where I was just like, oh my god, like, I really and truly like do miss being here on YouTube. And I just feel like there's so much things like I could just come to you guys and like talk to you guys about, and like the response or the conversations that we will have. Like I definitely miss that. Like I don't think you guys understand. As much as you guys missed me, like I missed you guys so much more. Like being away really made me realize how much I value my community that I've built over the years, and how much I really and truly do value my YouTube channel. And I'm really and truly sorry for being away for so long and not making it my duty to come and update you guys, or even like respectfully just coming and making a statement or something and saying something, because I feel like you guys deserve that at minimum. But again, I just wasn't in a place where, again, this was of any of like real like urgency or importance at the time. So I hope you guys can accept my apology. And being on that topic too of saying that content creating just wasn't at the top of my list, I also didn't want to come back or continue on the route of me uploading my stuff like 12 months later. Like, hence I'm going to do that now, but I'm also going to try to do that as well as still maintain what I'm doing up to date. You know what I mean? I want to go back to the times where I was current and stuff like that. Like, yes, it's okay to post some stuff a month later at max, but like, girl, 3 months later, no, like, it's unacceptable. It's absolutely unacceptable. So I wanted to make sure, like, when I came back, like, I was in a proper headspace and a time management place where, you know, like, I can make sure that I can stick to a schedule, create and produce what I need to do on all my social media platforms. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I did feel like at some points like I was putting in a lot of work and a lot of effort, and like I just wasn't like seeing no real rewards or nothing like in return, and that was kind of discouraging. As much as they tell you don't compare yourself to other people or not to watch numbers or stuff like that, like, if this is what you eventually want to do, like, that's something that you definitely have to look into. And it was kind of like me taking this break also was kind of like, you know, to like just look at myself and I feel like I always say this, just like working on yourself, but like I feel like that's an ongoing thing that you're always having to do, because it's always a new season. Things are always changing, people around you are always changing, life is lifing, you know what I mean? So yeah, that was one thing. And then I just felt like YouTube was just becoming this superficial place, like where everything had to be perfect, or like your content had to be like recorded by like a videographer and edited by an editor, and you get what I'm saying? Like, I just felt like I wasn't on a certain level, and that was very discouraging, because at the end of the day, like, I love what I'm doing, I love what I produce, you know what I mean? So I shouldn't really watch no face or nothing like that. But like, baby, again, if I'm doing all this work and I'm putting in all this effort, like, I'm still not seeing no changes in nothing or anything like that, like, I'm human. I'm definitely gonna feel away. But again, I don't only just do this because I'm like, oh, I want to make it a career. At the end of the day, like, again, I love the community that I have here, and I know anytime I post a video, like, it's gonna be a time in the comment section, and I love that, or in my Instagram inbox, or in my email, or now on TikTok, or you know what I mean? So I gotta stop really and truly watching that and just get back into the time where I just enjoyed creating the content, posting it, and engaging with my community. That's just where I gotta get back to. So that's why I was saying TikTok reminded me so much of Snapchat, because I feel like that in that 2016 time, like, what Snapchat was for me, it was super therapeutic, because I didn't have to care about how I looked. I didn't need to put on makeup or have my hair done to come on camera. But I feel like that is like where we are now, and I just feel like if you come on any other way, like, it's unacceptable. But on TikTok, baby, what? Nothing is not acceptable. You get what I'm saying? Nothing is judged. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So I love it absolutely over there. Like, I absolutely love it over there. So you guys, if you guys are not following me, go over there and follow me. Hurry up and let me get to 1,000 followers so I can go and start begging for some taps and roses and them something there, yeah. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to be back. I want you guys to let me know how you guys want me to go about uploading the old content that it is that I have. We again recently just went on a trip. I have my birthday stuff to upload. There's Joel's like so much firsts for Joel. Yo, Thanksgiving. I never showed you guys that. What else is there? I don't remember if I recorded when I went to Philly, but when I went to Florida for Amelia's birthday, when I linked up with Sammy and Sandy them, there's that. If I did not record when I went to Philly for Kai's birthday, I know I did TikTok, so I just posted those. And that was in March, and we are now in July. Like, you see what I mean? So yeah, and I just have a chronological order issue where I like my stuff to be uploaded in order. So if something happened in January, I'm not posting what happened in July before January. But in this case, we may have to work ourselves backwards and then meet up back in December. So I think that's what we're gonna have to do. But y'all, I missed you guys so much. Like, I could cry, honestly. Like, this, and like getting back into the groove of things, it's so weird, but I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited. I miss seeing my pop-ups. I miss seeing my face. I miss going through the struggles of editing and making a thumbnail and, you know, like promoting and all of that kind of stuff. So let's get back into it again with your favoritist. Oh my God, I know you guys are gonna beat me, but I deserve it. And again, I apologize for being away for so long and not making a statement or coming and saying anything to you guys, but I'm back. Y'all don't gotta ask for me no more. I am back. I'm good. Like, everything is good. Like, I know a lot of times when people disappear and stuff, we think the worst, but trust me, everything good. Everybody all right. Everything good. And them something there, you know? Yeah. So yeah, I don't have to worry about anything or nothing like that. The doll is good. We're angling and triangling over here. We're angling and triangling over here. But I'm happy that I finally pressed record. I am going to try to edit this and have this up by the end of tomorrow night. Even if it goes up at 11:59 tomorrow night, it's going up. August 1st is my deadline. God Jesus, please make me able to upload this and put it up. And yeah, no, I don't even create my intro, nothing yet, but well, partially I did it a while ago, because honestly, you guys, as I said, I wanted to come back a long time ago, so I just kind of want to tweak it. I keep getting new ideas and stuff like that, and that's the next thing with me. Like, there's too much going on in here, like too much things that I want to do and all of this kind of stuff, but whatever. Just gonna continue to write everything down, execute. Now that I'm back, I gotta stick to what it is that I said that I'm gonna do, and yeah, just stick to my word. And if I don't, I want you guys to beat me virtually. Beat me, comment on my comments, all of them someday. I appreciate every single one of you guys that reached out and checked upon me. If my mind ran upon yours while I was away, and you guys just thought about me, and you guys had conversation amongst yourselves and wondered how I was or how we were doing, I appreciate you guys. The support is real. The support is definitely real. To everybody that I have met during my time off, hi, big up on yourself. The people that when we meet at Michael's, the people that when we just meet on the road, like the people that when we meet Babe and hail him and tell him to link me, the people that see my mom and link my mom and are like, yo, tell Zoe Ray, big up everybody, big up every single body, and all them something there. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. And I don't know how to act. Hey, tell a friend. She's back. I heard you guys were looking for me. You don't have to look for me no more. I am here. I am back. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next video, or I'll meet you guys down in the comments, because yeah. But I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. You know the line.